You said it, Dora. ChalkZonefan2009 TV's Valentine's Day Marathon starts right now on ChalkZonefan2009 TV.
Yes! Thank you, Francine. And then the lizard got out, and then Francine knocked over the desks and the chairs. And then the lizard started running away, but then I stopped all the kids from scaring him, and then Francine said I could be the pet monitor because I was so good with the pets.
This sounds like a very exciting story, sweetie, but let's finish it tomorrow. Time for bed now.
Okay. But you're happy I'm pet monitor, right?
I couldn't be more thrilled.
I couldn't be more thrilled either.
Good night, Olivia.
Night, Mom.
Love is in the air with your favorite shows. And to celebrate, we're hosting you a Valentine's Day Marathon.